Hi guys, it's Habib here. You remember last time I did a video and I mentioned some few five African countries right here in West Africa. That's how to transfer money internationally. Though it's not globally and it doesn't work in all countries in Africa. It works in some few French speaking countries like Togo, like Benin, like Mali, Burkina Faso, and Cote d'Ivoire itself. So I'm going to share with you, if you are in any of these countries, you can easily transfer money, to family and friends without any more charges. That's a bit lower compared to Western Union, and I think it's going to help you guys all. And it was all about international transfer. What are we talking about? Cash. So a foreigner, a Ghanaian living in another man's territory, Cote d'Ivoire, after working harder, I had some cash, family members. I have also loved ones in a different country. So let's assume Togo. One thing that you have to know is in Cote d'Ivoire here, there are a lot of telecommunication networks. We have Orange, we have MTN, we have Moov, and the others. But I'm going to share with you how to transfer money from Cote d'Ivoire here to those five countries without receiving more charges, on your transfer. It's very easy because Move operates in all those five countries. So, without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you have been here with us, Akwaba. As I said, today's topic is about international transfer. So now let's head on to the dialer. What are we going to dial? We are going to dial étoile 155. What's the name of hash? Jazz. Is that it? Whatever it is, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm just trying to speak the French language, okay? Étoile 155 jazz, which is star 155 hash. So let's hit on, let's hit it up. Then select option 1, which says transfer. Option 3, which says Vest International, because you are going to send the money from your country to another country. So option 3. Now select option 1, which says the verse un numero. So here are the countries with their country code. To send, you have to start with the country code. So just watch me. 228. That person is from Togo, so I'm sending the money to Togo. Then you continue with the telephone number. I have one here, 99240. Then send. So start with the countries, and continue with the person's telephone number. How much am I sending? Let's assume 7,000. Let me send it. Then what next? My mobile money code, the Moov money code. For you to have the account, your account will have a code. So before transferring that money from your account, you have to get your code. So hit it up. When you enter your code, they are going to ask you to confirm the transaction. If you are ready to do that, just hit send. If you are not ready, just cancel it. So when you hit confirm, then you send the money right from your Move money account into that person's Move money account. But one thing that you have to know is make sure that person over there is also using Move. As I told you earlier, Move operates in Cote d'Ivoire and those other five countries. So to be able to transfer that money from your Move account, make sure that person is also using Move. You can't transfer it from Move to MTN. I've been here for some few months. I tried harder to see whether we can transfer it from MTN to MTN so that it will be easier when transferring it from MTN Cote d'Ivoire to MTN Ghana, because MTN operates in Ghana. I think it will be very, very important and very beneficial if MTN is able to allow that kind of transactions from its users right from Ghana to other African countries, because I know MTN operates in South Africa also. Yeah? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever we do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.